Hey, let me show you how to enable one-handed mode on your Redmi Note 13 Pro Plus. Let's get started. For this, just open settings first, and here we need to find additional settings. Choose it, and then scroll till you see option of one-handed mode, and here it is. And just enable it by clicking on this switcher, so when it's blue then it is enabled. And as you can see, to turn it on, you just need to swipe left or right from the center of this navigation panel. So let's try it. And one-handed mode is enabled. And it is also quite comfortable when you're, for example, driving and need to reach the top of the screen, for example, to trigger the control center and adjust the brightness or choose any other option from the list. And to disable this mode, just click on this free space on top of the screen. And if you want to turn off this function, let's go in the settings again. Additional settings, in one-handed mode, and just click on the switcher to turn it off. And now when you will swipe left or right, it won't be activated. And that's all. I hope this video was useful for you. Thank you so much for watching.